I just got a makeup mystery box. In here I have a full face of makeup, 14 makeup products for $35. Throughout the video we're gonna see how much does each item cost and if this is a scam. Tools check, and let's dive into this. I'm hoping I'm not scratching the products. I found a seller on Etsy that is curating mystery boxes and I wanted one with just makeup. I'm really hoping the products are new and not used. I'm trying to see where is the box. Ta-da! Look, it's cute! We have some hearts. Super adorable. Oh no, I did something to the bow. Oh yes! And you also have the option to print a card and write whatever you want. I wrote, I love you because it is a gift for me. Ah, this is the bow. Let's tear it off. It's so pretty. Oh, we have more stickers. Bye bye cute mystery sticker. Oh my god, I have some freebies. I wasn't expecting something extra. So cute. Masaman carameles.
Sorry.
Because let's cut the ribbon. And all the products are wrapped. And I have here something that looks like an eyeliner. And this seller is from Portugal. I'm wondering if I'm gonna get makeup products that they are selling there. And I'm right, this one is the Easy Paris Cosmetics eyeliner. Let's see the applicator. Ooh, it's very thin. It is very pigmented, very liquidy, and it dried very fast. It has a glossy finish that
I don't really like.
About the brand Easy Paris, I was able to find only one website that is selling the products, and it is a wholesaler, so you can buy a pack of 24 items for around $24. That made me very disappointed. Also, I'm questioning the quality of the makeup product. On the packaging it has an address in Spain, but it is made in PRC. The product is going on very smoothly. It's not easy to hold the applicator. However, I like the brush a lot. I can feel the product tightening on my skin. It's not the most terrible job that I have done with my eyeliner. Also, I don't like that you can still see the glossiness on the eyelid. The eyeliner is not a fail for me, even though it's not what I usually like using. And moving on, to the second product. This looks like a mascara. How about this? Okay. Ooh. We have one more protective layer. 10,000 years later. Well, δεν ανοίξω. Και δεν θέλω να χαλάσω το νύχι μου. Ah, thanks. By the brand Leticia. Well, I don't know this brand as well. Let's see.
The brush.
How can you use something like that? You need to have very big eyes. Oh my god, it smells very nice. Do we want a scent for a mascara? Not really. Mascara. The brand Leticia Well is also a wholesaler brand, and you can find their products on the same website with the Easy Paris. This is also around $1. So I'm going to apply some mascara on the lower lashes and just a tiny bit on the upper. There is a very big red in the mascara tube, and the color of the mascara is super dark black. For me, this mascara is a fail because of the applicator. After that, we have a lip product. And this is by the brand Leticia Well. It is the Extreme Shine Gloss in the shade 36. Ooh, it's so pretty. It has very nice color payoff for a lip gloss. It smells like bubble gums. I also ordered these before Christmas, so maybe that's why they added a red lip product. Testing time. I'm starting. Ooh, the color is so nice. The applicator makes it easy easy to outline the lips. And it is so pigmented. We lost the stopper somewhere. Exactly when I said that I like the formula, the packaging said no.
You're not gonna like us.
Okay. It looks really nice without the lip pencil. It has a chemical taste that is terrible. Next, we have another lip product. Yeah, as it seems. Oh no. Okay, it's easily attachable again. So this one is a hydrating lip gloss and it is by the brand Easy Pari. It doesn't say if this is a plumping lip gloss, so let's find out. It's not even glossy. What is this lip gloss? It feels more like a lip oil. That's so surprising. I think this is my first lip gloss that is not glossy at all. I'm so disappointed. After that, we have a product by Revolution Pro. This is the microblading effect eyebrow pencil. I thought I would have clear brow products. So this is in the shade Obor.
Who can use this?
This is definitely not my shade. So basically, this is the first product that is not usable for me. Up next, we have another product by Makeup Revolution. I'm really terrible in unboxing the makeup products. And this is the super matte powder with pink clay and niacinamide. And I have here the shade Chestnut. It is super soft. Bronzer time. This product is actually discontinued, or maybe they have changed the packaging, or it is sold out, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so that's why I'm thinking it is discontinued. I'm hoping this is not a very dark bronzer for me. Yeah, it is. I'm trying very lightly to blend this on my face. Also, it looks a little bit orangey, but it blends super nicely. That's not my shade. I'm guessing that the seller found this on sale. The retail price of this one was around $7. It is one of the most expensive products that we have in the box. That doesn't make me really happy. Then we have a blush, a brand that I don't know. Oh, it is the same that we had before. And this is the matte blush in the shade Colorette. Oh, 03. It has also a muted tone that you can use for every day. Testing time. I'm hoping this is not very dark for me. Oh, oops, I applied too much. It's very pigmented. It blends very nicely. So the blush is a very nice surprise. This is around $1 or $2. I think this is gonna be by Catrice. Maybe it's not a lipstick.
What is this?
Oh, it's a highlighter by the brand Leticia Well in the shade 4. This is very dark for me. Moment of truth. Ooh, we get a lot of product. Let's swatch it here. Okay, it's not a very dark shade. The scent is atrocious. It smells like plastic trash. I really don't want this to touch my face. Lightly press it on the cheekbone. It gives a very nice natural glow. I'm hoping I don't get breakouts. And this is also around $1. And then we have another product by the brand Leticia Well. I'm hoping I'm not scratching the product. So this is a face primer. It has a doe foot applicator. Oh, this doesn't smell nice. It is like plastic baby powder. It contains 15 milliliters, so it's not a full size. I don't know if this is a pore filling or glow boosting primer. Oh.
Why?
It feels like a thick moisturizer.
Okay.
I don't like the texture of it. It is a little bit slippery and oily. I think it cancels a little bit the redness of my face with and without. I don't have high expectations. I need to apply foundation, concealer and powder, and after that we're gonna see how the primer looks. Wish me luck. So about the foundation, the product was a little bit slippery around the cheeks and on the nose. Thank you. Next, Oh, what is this? This looks like a small little palette, and it is by the brand W7. The palette looks beaten up. The color story doesn't make sense. The palette is so scratched. So I'm guessing the seller found it on sale. And this is the Jungle Color Toucan palette. I want to swatch the eyeshadows. Ooh, the purple. And also the matte shades. This palette gives me a headache, so I'm gonna start with the middle shade. Ooh, it looks very soft and it blended super amazingly well. Love it. Then I'm going in this shade here. It is blending so effortlessly. Moving on to this purpley, and this also looks very nice. That is so smooth. Next I'm taking this duochrome eyeshadow. It looks very dry and not shiny at all. I'm thinking if this palette is also expired. Now I'm taking the dark brown shade. I'm going on the lower eye. That looks phenomenal for a $7 eyeshadow palette. They also have it in other shades. They look like a dupe for the Huda Beauty palettes. Up next, let's go to this coral shade. This time I'm going in the inner part of the lower eye. This also blended super easily. I'm gonna take this yellow gold shade. I would prefer if it was a lighter shade. It's not a very pigmented eyeshadow. For some reason, it was even more difficult to apply the eyeshadows on the other eye. The shimmery shades were super dry and not spreadable. This palette is a no from me, and we can already see that we have some lashes here. The box again looks beaten up, but the lashes look intact. And these are the 5D Flash Lash Extreme Volume Lashes. And they are very dramatic. It is hello. The band of the lashes is so thick. Moment of truth. Oh my god, these are huge. Who can wear these? Oh, I can see them. The lashes are super lightweight on the eyes. These are around $1 as well. They are actually not bad. Oh, I have glitter! This is a super tiny product. Yes, love. Sample sack in the shade 6. Is this for your eyes, for the face? And it is basically a jelly consistency. I don't think this is for your eyes because the glitter are very chunky. And then we have a multi-use 3-in-1 mask. So this is not a makeup product, and I was expecting only makeup products.
Okay.
It retails for $5. I'm curious to try all three of them. I'm going to start with the bubble mask. Oh, the scent is chemical flowery.
Okay.
It is like a mousse. I'm really curious if it is gonna start bubbling up. Oh my god, it is! On my forehead! I love the sound. Shoop, shoop, shoop. Okay, let's take out the mud mask. A lot thicker. That surprisingly has some beads. That smells so nice. And let's go to the gold mask now. I'm hoping for a better scent. It has a thick consistency. Can I really use it on my face? Oh my god. No, this is dried up. Oh no, this is expired. It says 1st November of 2023. That's not happening today. I love the bubble mask. So I have rinsed everything off. The triple face mask most likely is expired. So it is definitely a fail for me. Oh no. It is a friend's product. What is this? Is this a setting spray? Why do I hear something? This is the Calming Fixing Spray with hyaluronic and vitamin E. So this is a collection that Makeup Revolution had
2 years ago?
No, it's not a fine mist. It is mostly droplets and it smells like hairspray. Oh boy. This is not a fine mist. About the fixing spray, this is a sold out product. It smells like hairspray. Fun to the rescue! So I was watching a review and the scent of the fixing spray was described as pineapple, sweet pineapple. This is nothing like pineapple. Also, this French collaboration was released in April of 2021. I bought the mystery box in December 2023. I'm really thinking that this is an expired product. The original price was $8 and it is a mini fixing spray. It has 30 milliliters, not 100. Fail. And we also have one more lip product. Come on, wrapping paper. Oops. No, what have I done? Is this used? What happened? I have a lot of product on the inside of the cup. I still have the plastic protecting layer, so most likely this is not a used product. It is a shimmery lip pencil. The shade is not so bad now that I have blended it. And this product is by Revolution Pro. It is the new neutral lip liner in the shade Reveal. The packaging is super pretty. Oh no, the lip pencil also smells. Is this expired as well? The scent is so chemical. Yikes! This is also a no from me. This was around $8. Oh boy! In the beginning, I wasn't sure if this product was used or not. I rewatched the unboxing footage, and if you can see the lip pencil, the tip of it is very round and smooth. That's very unnatural for a lip pencil. Then I found the pictures of the product and you can see that the tip needs to be very pointed. On the other hand, it still has a protective layer on the cap, so I'm thinking maybe they have opened it in a way and they were using it, which is disgusting because it ended up to me. Also, the scent indicates that this is expired, so it is expired and used. Did I get scammed? My foundation started separating around the cheeks. It is bumpy between the brows. I got wholesale items, very bad quality products. I'm gonna give the mystery box 1 star. The overall value is around $40. Drop in the comments what is your opinion about this mystery box. Is it a scam or not? And you can also watch this video here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!